Hello friends! Solana experienced a surge in value during the last bull market, with investors earning over 900 times their initial investment. However, when the bear market hit and FTX exchange collapsed, Solana's value plummeted by over 96%. Despite this setback, Solana has since rebounded and grown by 250%, but the question remains whether it will be able to surpass its previous highs in the next bull market or not. So hopefully you will find this video useful, hit a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Solana is a third-generation blockchain that supports various DeFi solutions and uses a hybrid consensus algorithm combining proof of history and proof of stake, allowing for up to 50,000 transactions per second. In 2017, Anatoly Yakovenko, a former employee of Qualcomm, started Solana blockchain and published a draft white paper presenting an algorithm for synchronizing history proofs. Yakovenko and his former Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald wrote Solana code in Rust and launched the first test network in February 2018. That same year, they founded the company known as Solana, which includes former programmers from Google, Microsoft, Qualcomm, Apple, Intel, and Dropbox. The project attracted over 20 million in venture capital investments from April 2018 to July 2019 through several closed token sales, and in the third quarter of 2020, the public test network of the Tour de Sol project went live. In October of that year, developers presented the Wormhole cross-chain solution, which connects Ethereum and Solana network tokens. The project managed to secure 314 million in 2021 to develop applications and ecosystems in Ukraine, India, Russian Federation, and Brazil. In June, Andreessen Horowitz, Polychain Capital, Alameda Research, CMS Holding, CoinShares, Jump Trading, Multicoin Capital, Sina Global Capital, and other funds led the latest round of financing. Alameda Research, which was among the largest investors in Solana, is the same fund as Curly Sam's that went down with FTX. Token Sol is the governance token on the Solana network and is used for staking and transaction fees. During the bull market, Solana showed impressive results, with investors earning over 900 times their initial investments. However, in November 21, a bear market began, and the cryptocurrency market went into correction, causing Solana's value to plummet by 96%. The collapse of FTX exchange in 2022 was the catalyst for the fall of not only Solana, but the entire crypto market. Solana corrected by 79% in almost a month, and Bloomberg added fuel to the fire for an even steeper fall. In November 2022, news appeared that validators were going to withdraw 50 million coins from staking for a total of $940 million, but no one withdrew anything, and the price didn't fall. This news was excellent manipulation and intimidation. On the news that validators would not withdraw anything, the token increased from $11 to $18 just in a day. However, the damage had already been done, and many projects and developers turned their backs on Solana. Anatoly Yakovenko and his team continued their work. After FTX collapse, investor confidence in crypto market disappeared, and digital assets took a long time to recover, especially those closely associated with Alameda Research Fund and Sam Bankman-Fried. Token Sol and Solana blockchain were no exception, and experienced a wave of hate and migration of many developers to networks such as Polygon and Ethereum. Some projects even asked Solana for $5 million to remain on their blockchain. However, problems in the network began long before the collapse, with the sudden stop of the blockchain in September 2022. This led to jokes among investors and analysts that Solana only works on weekdays and goes away on weekends. The distrust of top crypto exchanges such as Binance, OKX, KuCoin, Bybit, and BitMEX also dealt a blow to the blockchain after the collapse of FTX. They suspended deposits of stablecoins USDC and USDT on Solana network. However, in December 28, the token reached its lows of $8, and the price rapidly began a reversal, rising to $25 in a few weeks, almost 210%. Despite the fact there were enough good reasons for growth, such as Vitalik Buterin's praise for Solana developers on Twitter and the appearance of a new meme token called Bonk on the Solana blockchain, which showed colossal profit in just a few days. And the icing on the cake was the news that Google began to buy Solana, and their approximate average price is $10. But I'm still not entirely sure that this address that you see on the screen at the moment relates to Google. However, there was also negative news about the network shutdown in February and the lawsuit filed against Binance for trading in unregistered securities. This statement provoked a correction of the Solana cryptocurrency by almost 50%. The outflow of money and developers has not yet changed the vector and is in decreasing value, which could be due to the bearish phase of the market or a lack of trust on the part of developers. The future of Solana blockchain and the price of the native SOL token remain uncertain. Now I will move on to analyzing the price and ask you to support me in the channel by subscribing and liking. Thank you in advance, and let's move on. Despite the fluctuations, SOL token is still far from its minimum values, as its value is not managed by retail investors but by funds with large capital. Early investors still have profits ranging from 81 to 509x. This cryptocurrency has the potential to plunge into values that few expect, but the likelihood of a drop from current values is extremely small in my opinion. However, we must keep this scenario in mind. In a bullish market, the prospects for SOL token can be colossal. And if Solana is truly one of the technologies of the future and the main competitor of Ethereum, it has the opportunity to achieve the same capitalization as the top two cryptocurrency, which today amounts to almost $200 billion. And if Solana reaches such capitalization, then its price will exceed $400, which can give very good profit. Why do I think that this project most likely won't be a scam? Solana has some serious partners, for example Circle, USDC token emittent, also Google and Meta, and Stripe. Stripe is actually a little talked about but has some of the greatest minds behind it and comes right after SpaceX in terms of capitalization. So I believe that Solana has better chances than 90% of networks and cryptocurrencies in the entire digital asset market. This is not a financial advice, guys, but my personal opinion based on which you can build your trading strategies. I understand that some people may hold negative opinions about Solana given its ups and downs. However, Solana has a track record of securing significant partnerships and enjoys strong support from venture capitals. As a result, I believe Solana is likely to experience price increases. So my price prediction for Solana at the peak of the next bull run is between $250 and $350. It's important to note that this prediction assumes the locked Solana remains locked. Additionally, by observing the normal chart pattern of Solana, it has consistently demonstrated an ongoing uptrend. If it continues to respect and follow this uptrend until November 2025, the projected intersection point would be around $167 as a minimum. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video and want to support my channel, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next videos.